Hello and welcome to Retro Bicycle. Apologies for the wind there, but we're on to a very special Aprilia RS125 1997 model. It's had a whole load of work done to it from front to rear, pretty much two brand new tyres, front and rear. It's got new full fork seals put onto it as well. It's had the power valve looked at, carburetor done, full engine rebuild. It's quite amazing. When you were doing a full kind of rebuild and recommission of the bike, the quality that our Aprilia put into these bikes is quite amazing. The front shocks are incredible. The engine, the kind of to squeeze out every last bit of power out of a small displacement engine like this is quite amazing. I mean, it really was just a reason to get these bikes into racing. I can't give it the welly, lads. I know you want to see it hooning down the road at 125 kilometers an hour,